Hello, this is the second session of technical drawing. I repeat whatever I have told earlier. This edge, which is known as a working edge, black color edge, should be always straight. Do not buy if it is curved. Only the end portion may be slightly curved, this much, but otherwise everything is very straight. And it should be always kept on your left side unless you are working with the left hand. If you are working with the left hand, then probably you can keep it on the right side, otherwise it is kept on the left side. The clips, drawing clips, has one side flat and another side curved. The flat side should always be kept on the top, and while fixing you see that this batten doesn't come in between. Either it should be kept here or it should be kept here, because in between so much is a batten. Use at least 3 clips on the board. Now we discuss about drawing of the margins. The margins are drawn in such a way that from the top edge measure 10 millimeter. Also you may call it as 1 centimeter, but we always talk in millimeters. 10 millimeters here, one more point. Then on the right hand side 10 millimeters, 2 points. At the bottom 10 millimeters. But on the left hand side of yours, near the working edge, it should be 30 millimeters or 3 centimeter. 30 millimeter once and 30 millimeter twice. After this, if you have a clip here, you remove the clip and put it elsewhere, maybe over here, and use a T-square, use a set square along with the T-square and draw a line along your markings. On the left side 30 millimeter, line from top to bottom, remove the clip from here and put it back somewhere here, and at the bottom draw a line which is 10 millimeter away from the edge. You already done the marking of 10 millimeter. Again remove the clips and put it somewhere else so that the right side is clear. And draw the line at the right side 10 mm away from the edges. 10 millimeter or 1 centimeter if you call it. Now at the top, remove the clip. Never keep any clip on the working edge on the left side. Never keep any clip over here. Okay. Our top is clear, upper portion is clear. So draw a line here in the upper portion, 10 millimeter away. Your margins are ready. You can keep back your clip here if you wish to. Now measure 70 millimeter once and 70 millimeter twice, 70 millimeter third time and draw vertical lines through them till bottom. Mark points with 10 mm each on the left side line. There is margin line 10 mm distances. Mark the points till end. Continue marking till the end. Then draw a light line here without giving any pressure to the pencil. Draw a light line, give a very little pressure and draw medium dark line. Give very little pressure once and very little pressure twice to draw a dark line. Again a light line by no pressure, medium pressure and medium pressure twice. Continue to fill like this till end. Light line, medium dark line and a dark line. Fill up the entire column with such light, medium, dark and dark lines. Then here only medium dark lines. Till about half of the sheet, draw medium dark lines and draw arrows here. From the vertical line, leave about 3 to 4 mm and draw only a small line of 1 mm on both the side and draw a thin arrow. Do not draw very large arrows like this and a very dark arrow like this. Do not draw like this. Do not draw open arrow like this. Do not draw hollow arrow like this and do not draw any stylish arrow like this. Okay, draw a simple arrow which is medium dark and about 3 to 4 mm long. Fill up till about half of your sheet, approximately half of the length of your column, all arrows. After that, draw dark lines like this, not medium dark but dark lines, 3 to 4 mm dash, 1 mm gap, 3 to 4 mm dash, 1 mm gap, 3 to 4 mm dash, 1 mm gap and so on. Very dark lines. Continue till the end. These are all called dotted lines. Even though there are no dots in it, they are also known as hidden lines.